Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now? Install the ETV app from your platform store or open the official web player in your mobile browser. Make sure your phone's OS and the app are updated. Outdated versions cause playback errors. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network or a 4G/5G plan with sufficient speed. Then sign in or create an account, accept basic permissions like location or notifications, and allow the player to use audio. Once done, tap Live to begin loading the stream. Once the live screen appears, pick the ETV channel or program you want from the schedule. The player will load. While it buffers, open settings to pick video quality. Choose lower resolution if your connection fluctuates. Turn on captions if you need them and select audio tracks when available. If you want a bigger screen, tap the cast icon to mirror to a compatible TV or use AirPlay on iPhone. Make sure background data is allowed so the stream won't pause when the display locks. You're almost done. Start the program and choose full screen or picture-in-picture so you can multitask. If the channel needs a subscription, complete payment and verify you're logged in. Make sure receipts or tokens are saved. Monitor data usage if you're on cellular and use headphones for better clarity. If playback stalls or shows errors, try this key troubleshooting tip. Clear the app cache, force stop and reopen the app, then lower the stream quality. If that fails, reinstall the app and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.